Okay, so let's just do like a thumbnail. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So it's been since a while since I've vlogged, and yeah, I'm just using my phone right now. Medyo I just want this video to be up, and if I'll be filming using my camera, I think it will take me a while to edit. So ito, walang edit na to, diretso na tong upload. So I just want to say thank you for watching my video, yung sa diffuser na inayos ko. But I just want to film again, just to clarify everything and just to give a demo on how to really take care of your Young Living. Okay, so last October there was a sale, so I bought a new diffuser from Young Living kasi sulit siya. So yeah, and also may kasama siyang oil. So there is like a sale na parang 7,000 plus yata yon, and then there were like 5 oils that are free. Dalawang 15 ml oils na Thieves, RC, may RC, may peppermint, and then yeah, also I bought Thieves kasi naka-sale din si Thieves from 2,000 plus na members price, or 1,900 ba yun, and then it's 1,500 na lang. So I grabbed the opportunity na bumili. So hindi ko kayo chinacharot ha, this is one is a new one and this one is my old one. So dalawa talaga yan. So I'm just gonna give you a demo again on how I fixed this one. So the problem of this one is medyo na-clog siya, so marami na siyang mga white stuff, and they say you have to clean it every like once a week, or once every two weeks ba yun? In the case of this one, hindi ko siya, parang experiment ako not to clean this one, and I get it na. That's why I got some mga residue ng oil kasi from my old Young Living diffuser, medyo gumamit ako ng mga alternative oils, which is kinda not so good pala na ganun. Kasi Young Living oils are very potent, and they really like parang diffuse talaga. All of them are really diffuse, and then some oils parang may halo na, that's why they have residues. Although we really need that one because medyo pricey kasi yung sa Young Living. I'm not biased or anything ha. Pricey yung sa Young Living, but I know yung value for money niya is really good. Dito na i-edit, so yeah. Okay, so this one is my old one, so I'm just gonna do a demo again on how I cleaned this part, that one. So I just got like a card, like this card, and then pinutol ko siya. So may nag-comment na how to putol, so okay, I'm gonna video it. So just like that, any card na lang. See, that's my BDO card before, and then just cut here. So parang 2 cuts lang siya, and then you cut at the edge both sides. So natanggal na yung isa, and then the other side, yung sa gitna at the middle, don't cut it. Okay, so ganyan na siya. So what it does is parang ganyan na siya. Tapos you measure the inside of it, kung ano ba siya, kung kasya na ba siya. Okay, so hindi pa siya kasya, so you have to cut it again. So the other side of it is already measured by me, so that's why, if that's the Young Living na ano, so you twist it So if it's hard, that's twist it to the left para mag-ano siya, mag-come off siya. See? Oh my gosh, it came off. Oh my gosh. So the ring came off, and then that's the time you fix it. So eto lang siya, parang siyang spring, and tatlong parts siya. May ganito, the yellow part, which is a bouncy one, and yung plate niya na white, and the metal. Okay? So, the problem of this one is that hindi na siya nagmi-mist or yung parang smoke niya, hindi na siya nagde-diffuse. So, this one is the problem. And kasi, yung spring niya sa loob, na stuck. So, parang na ganun siya. I'm gonna demo it. Yung parang na ganun lang siya. Basta na stuck siya. And then, the reason also is marami na siyang clogged na oils inside. And I'm just gonna show you kasi na-amaze ako nito. Also, an update pala ng mga oils. So, I also use this Lux Organics na oil. So, para sa akin, yung eucalyptus niya is not that potent. Hindi siya masyadong as I expected. So, hindi ko na lang siya ginagamit kasi I have to put plenty of drops para ma-smell ko yung eucalyptus oil niya. So, yun, hindi ko na siya ginagamit. Actually, wala na tong laman. And then, yung sa Young Living, parang mga 2 to 3 drops. Hindi naman 2 to 3. Mga 5 drops. Yun. Kasi gusto ko yung buong room talaga nasa-smell yung oil. Okay, so I had an experiment just a while ago, and then marami din akong mga oils dito ha, not from Young Living, so don't judge. So this one is from Young Living and this one sa brand X. So hindi na siya kita, I don't know if you can see it, na parang may ano siya kasi it would take a while kasi na para mag-dry up. So, eto, even if it's dry up, makikita mo na oil talaga siya. Oil-based siya. Tapos sa Young Living, makikita mo naman na ano pa din siya, pero potent talaga siya kasi wala nang oil residue sa kanya. So, if you want me to demo again, which is, oh my gosh, medyo ano kasi siya eh. So, I'm gonna be using the lemon. Little drop lang. Small drop lang kasi mahal kasi yung oil eh. Although the lemon oil is very affordable Don't get me wrong. Okay, that's the Young Living oil. So, let's just wait for it. Kasi I didn't believe na ganito pala kabilis mag-dry up yung sa Young Living na oil. See? This is the Young Living and this is the brand X. And kanina pa to. So, yung kanina sa Young Living, nag-dry up na siya. So, I'm just gonna show you this part. Okay? So, let's just wait for it to dry. Okay, so let's just put it there para hindi siya nag-move. And you will see talaga na yan yung oil. Yan yung oil na ginamit na talaga natin. Okay? So, yan. So, that's my video. So, 8 minutes na siya, ha? I'm just chilling in the house. Lately kasi, pumunta kami ng J Park, which will be uploaded soon kasi nag-vlog din ako doon. So, hindi naman sa nagala na kami. Of course, we need to go out like once a month. Once a month lang na medyo mag-relax tayo and hindi naman siya gala, just relax to ease yung mga anxiety and stuff like that. So, kasi I experience anxiety. So, yun, I really have to go out in the house na. So, yun, pumunta kami ng Halimana, which is, yun, nag-upload din ako ng video noon. If you want to see, just check it out. And, yeah. Also, dun sa Halimana, I brought along my Lux Organics na citronella because it's parang malamok doon. So, yung Lux Organics na citronella is very, very good. Kasi, ano siya, talagang mas smell mo. Yung lamok talaga, ayaw. Kasi, nasa-smell mo talaga na citronella siya. And, I refuse to diffuse it because I don't really like the smell of our room. Like, citronella smell. Parang sakit sa ilong. So, what I did is, I just drop it everywhere, like sa corners ng room namin, and then yeah, wala nang masyadong lamok. Okay, so also yung free pala ng Young Living is parang may lavender, may lemon, may RC, may peppermint. I think that kit is like a COVID kit kasi for the respiratory something ba yun? So yeah, masasabi ko lang sa oils is, sa mga Young Living oils, is they are really, really good. They are really potent, and yeah, you can, hindi siya isa pa din yung na observe ko. When I put it in my bag, and then my bag was like, natutok siya sa aircon, may carrier oil ako na VCO, and then I put Digize kasi yung tummy ko for my acid reflux. So yeah, I also use Digize for my tummy kasi somehow nare-relieve yung acid reflux ko, or nakaka-burp ako, or fart, TMI. So yeah, yung sa excuse me, yung sa sa bottle na may carrier oil, nagtigas siya. So, dun sa bottle na ganito ko talaga, hindi siya nagtigas. So, yun pa lang is a very good indication na hindi talaga siya hindi siya tumitigas na oil. I don't know how to explain it. So, I'm really, really impressed with their oils. So, I take back what I said on that vlog na mas okay yung ibang oil kasi although pricey siya, mas okay talaga yung Young Living na oil. That's what I learned. That's why I bought another one, and I bought a lot of oils from them, most especially the Thieves. So this is my second bottle of Thieves. I also have another one of these downstairs kasi pang air purifier kasi siya eh. Also sanitizer, marami siyang So let's check. Okay, see? Hindi pa rin siya nag-iiba yung sa brand X, and yung sa YL parang wala na siya. Yung kanina nga dito is talagang wala na siya. And then this one is talagang wala na talaga siya. So this proves na talaga siya, hindi siya oil base. Hindi pa siya masyadong lemon pa naman yun. So yeah, that's my vlog, and I'm just here at home. That's why ito yung face ko, wala akong foundation or anything, so kita yung mga veins ko and stuff. So yeah, lang ako nag lipstick ng a little bit para hindi naman ako masyadong maputla. And yeah, I bought this from Anne Charmaine Kai, the sister of Miss Anna Kai. So I really like it. Ito yung ear cuff na binili ko sa kanya. So yes, that's about it. If you want to wait for it, talagang wala na siya. Wala na talaga siya. So yeah, that's my conclusion kung bakit ito marami siyang residue. Yung old na Young Living ko, may residue siya ng mga oils kasi naggamit ako ng mga ibang oils other than Young Living. So yeah, just a tip, and I hope you will watch my other videos, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Goodbye. And please don't forget to subscribe, guys. I know that I've not been uploading lately, but yeah, I'm gonna be uploading really, really soon. Thank you. Bye.